Well, we made it to the Tabasco plant. We have a little restaurant over there, country store, and their museum. Pretty cool. Go over. Start your tour here. Yeah, it's straight ahead of that Coke machine.
Hi, how are you? I'm sorry? You don't want to do a tour?
No, we just wanted to see what was in there.
Yeah. Okay. You're welcome. Please wear your sticker. Please wear your sticker. Oh, not back there.
Hey, what was the first year that they started?
1868 was the first commercial. He's been making it for years before
The Michelada.
She's super nice. She said if we ever come back on a weekday, if she's here, just to kind of remind her who it was, and she'll let us go in for free to see the bottom.
Oh, that would be cool.
Because they don't on Friday, Saturday, or something.
Oh, okay. 60s. Wow. See those bejeweled bottles? Presented to McElhaney Company by Swarovski Crystal Jewelry. Wow. Some Absolute vodka. Chili pepper flavor? No, thank you. McElhaney until 2012.
Osborne. It's the one that's not.
Mm-hmm. No. So, yeah, 1885 to 96 was a Simmons.
Yeah.
And then another McElhaney.
Oh,
And
yeah.
then a Simmons. And then that person. They're all probably
Well,
family.
and Avery is the name of his wife.
Yes.
That's
That's where
where.
that came in because he married her. Machine gun ammunition belt fragment containing many bottles. That's crazy. Yes, they were in MRE bags too for the military.
I think it's done.
Are you sure? Absolutely.
Yes.
Okay, I'm about to put this spoon in my...
Wait. Done. Mama, okay. If you hit it hard with a couple of shots to the
You see that?
Yeah.
They can mark the name out. You see the line through it?
And it would be.
2016, I think you really enjoyed this month's photo album. It includes such hits as First Trip to the
Yeah,
Dentist,
ice cream, no thank you.
Pizza, and Water Park Vomit Chain Reaction. What do you know? Here you go.
Need anything else?
Tabasco.
Coming right up.
More maple syrup.
Right away.
Okay, I see you. You stay with me.
See, that's camel bacon.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Mastodon teeth. Wow. That's crazy.
Since 1868, for well over a century, the adventurous flavor of Tabasco sauce has fired up generations of grill seekers. It's all natural ingredients and a unique aging process in white oak barrels. Keep Tabasco up and culinary cutting edge. Try it on mixed pizza salads and any other food for a burst of flavor that will tantalize your taste buds. That's it. No, that's it. I'm not reading the ingredients. I got it.
Yeah, you sure? Absolutely right. Okay, I'm about to put this food in my
bear frequenting area.
Do not feed or approach. Leave immediately.
So it's not a joke.
No.
Okay. That's interesting. That would be cool to see a bear.
No.
Yes, it would be scary, but cool. You know the old saying, I ain't got to be faster than the bear, I just got to be faster than you.
Well, you would definitely be faster than me.
Stand over.
I mean, I'm videoing you, taking a picture of me.
Ain't that funny? Bear freaking, that's crazy. I thought it was a joke, but it seems like it's not. I don't know.
I say it is not. All the bamboo. That's
Yeah,
that bamboo they brought in.
Yeah. Oh, the barrel, that's what I want to see.
I was gonna say, nowhere it said I cannot video record.
In a bucket?
Right? That's what I had with those with the Tabasco ones before. Yeah.
Man, that would grow like that out of a bucket. That's crazy.
Right, no joke.
That goes against everything you ever thought you knew about buckets.
Right?
Can't grow that big in a bucket. I don't know.
Apparently they can.
That was just seen one thing.
And that's probably an older plant, like it's
Yeah, it's been
obviously
there
grown for a
year
long
after
time.
year, reproducing. I wonder what you do to them when they're dormant. Like, you leave them there, you put them somewhere else.
Oh, dude, it's me.
Stop it.
Wash them and be ready to use for the next 3 years. Hi, I'm Trindell. I'm a barrel cooper at Knoxville Tobasco Company. What I have here is white oak barrels. They come with iron cast iron ring. We have to change every ring to a stainless steel 316 ring. From there, we would have to decharge the barrel. Make sure there's a one-way valve on top of our cover. And the back and the cover sits fitted in place of the barrel. To decharge the barrel, we would have to roll it on the side, wipe the bum, check for inspection, leaks, cracks. And then we bring them over to the other side where we would fill them, wash them, and be ready to be used for the next 3 years. Hi, I'm Trindell. I'm a barrel cooper at Mackin Tobasco Company. What I have here is a white oak barrels. They come with iron cast iron rings. We have to change every ring to a stainless steel 316 ring. From there, we would have to decharge the barrel, make sure there's a one-way valve on top of our cover, and the back and the cover sits fitted in place of the barrel. After decharge the barrel, we would have to roll it on the side, wipe the bump, check for inspection, leaks, cracks. From there, we bring them over to the other side where we would fill them, wash them, and be ready to be used for the next 3 years. Hi, I'm Trindell. I'm a barrel cooper at Mackin Tobasco Company. What I have here is white oak barrels. They come with iron cast iron rings. We have to change every ring to a stainless steel 316 ring.
Black bear footprint. Permissible respirator for self-rescue. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Caution, alligators do not picnic near the water's edge. Come back when they're doing the bottling, but it's crazy. It's a huge process. Labeler, bottling, tamper evidence seal. Wow. I wonder, I don't remember from what I had listened to, like how many they bottled it.
Yeah.
Let's see. Lot code. 1 year. Wow. That's crazy.
Yeah. Interesting.